Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and powering devices. Make sure the phone and car are above 50% charge and connect the phone to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This avoids interruptions. Once done, back up important phone data and note app versions so you can roll back if needed. Next, open the Android Auto or Vehicle System app, plug in via USB or pair over Bluetooth depending on your car, and proceed to the Update menu to check for available system or app updates. You now download and install the update. Tap the available update, read the changelog and permissions so you understand what changes, then choose Wi-Fi only download to save mobile data. While the package downloads, keep the phone connected and the car running or in accessory mode. Interruptions can corrupt the install. Once downloaded, start installation and let the head unit reboot if prompted. Do not disconnect cables. After reboot, wait for any final app updates to finish before testing features. You finish by verifying core functions. Test navigation, media playback, phone calls, and voice commands to confirm everything works. If something misbehaves, first clear app cache and data, then unpair and repair the phone. Make sure permissions are granted. If issues persist, perform a head unit factory reset only after backing up settings, or contact your dealer or the device maker for firmware support. One key tip: keep logs or screenshots of errors to speed troubleshooting when you seek help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.